What's up, yo? You don't need no weed, yo. I got the bomb 20s to the heart, yo.
No, bro, I'm
Fuck
good.
You mean no? What you trying to say? My shit some dude. Get in some pressure.
Nigga, I didn't even say all that shit, bro. I said I'm good. No.
Yo, smell this shit, shorty. You gonna at least smell this shit.
No,
my
bro.
nigga.
How about you get a real job? Leave me alone, bro. Damn.
Bro, I will slap the shit out you. You go in that store without buying no weed, my nigga. How
Bro.
the fuck you gonna go in my store without buying no weed?
Nigga, you don't own this bitch, bro. Get the fuck out of my face, bro. Niggas can't take no for an answer.
Hey, yo, you need the weed, yo?
Yo.
You sure you don't need no weed, bro? Come on, it's the bomb. I'm telling you.
Bro, wallahi, I'm absolutely fine, bro.
You're not even Muslim talking about wallahi. You're bluffing ass.
Bro,
You was
just
just
get
eating
the
bacon
fuck-
yesterday.
Bro.
You was just eating bacon yesterday talking about wallahi.
Bro.
You're bluffing ass talking about wallahi. I just see you eating
Bro,
bacon.
get your dog breath out my face, bro. Damn.
Damn, that nigga's annoying. You sure you don't need the weed, yo?
Bro.
You sure? It's the bomb. I'm telling you, this really the bomb. I'm telling you.
Bro, how'd you even get in my car, bro?
Don't worry about all of that. It's
Bro.
the bomb.